Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 44,221 miles on this odometer. The interior on this car is really nice. It smells really good. Now, if you see flickering here, that is just in camera. That is not in person. Steering's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Alignment feels solid. If you see any flickering here, that's just in camera, that is not in person. When you apply the brakes, I don't feel any vibrations or shakes in the wheel. Nice, no complaints with the drivability. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. So date code on these tires is 2022. Looking at the finish on the wheel, overall looks good. I don't see any curb rash. Barrel looks nice. Overall very clean. Now looking at the paint, typical swirls from just everyday washing. Now we do offer paint correction and ceramic coating, and we can make this look even better. You have 1/3 of the hood and fender with PPF, and then that full front clip. That looks good. Looking at the mirror, you have film on it, protecting it. A-pillar looks good. A couple tiny little rock impacts up there, very minor. Door looks good. A couple little scuffs from getting in and out. Now this section right here, super common to get impacted by rock, so you're gonna see that in that area, and then on that plastic, and here on that lower section as well. So if you get close, you're gonna see that. That looks good. If you get down low, of course you're gonna see it down there as well. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. Got the window tint here, nothing on the front windshield. Looking at the headlights, you're gonna see some little imperfections, typical rock impacts, full front clip. Now you do have imperfections all throughout, little rock impacts, little chips. It's hard to tell what went through the film and what didn't, but it looks like that definitely went through the film. You have some larger chips up here. Like I said, typical swirls from just everyday washing. Now this headlight, you're gonna see a lot of flaws in it, especially on that upper section. See some rash down here. Little rash on that lower section. Typical impacts, little chips, and then you have heavy rash right there. From a couple feet away though, she looks really good. Got one chip right there on the fender. The rest of that looks good. You're gonna see the finish on the wheel. It's not really glossy anymore. So you're gonna see some of the shine on it, but that will wear off and it'll kind of give it a matte finish once that's wiped off. No rash though on the wheel. That looks good. Here you're gonna see some little swirls, little scuffs from fingernails and things like that. A little bit of scuffs on the edge with a larger chip. And once again, you're gonna have the impacts on that section. Little swirls. Here on that wheel, we have a larger chip there. The rest of that wheel looks good. Beautiful tail lights. That one looks good. Bumper looks nice. You do have film right here on that little section. You have a gash right here. It's been touched up. Otherwise, this looks really nice. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it smells really, really good in here. It has a really nice, fresh, clean smell. Upper section looks good. A little bit of wear on that handle, a few light scuffs. Otherwise, that looks good. Here on that trim, that looks nice. Now you do have your typical scuffs on that plastic from getting in and out. That bolster's in great condition. Same here. Upper section looks good. Typical wrinkles from just kind of where you sit. Here on the steering wheel, a little shiny in some spots. A couple light scuffs, but otherwise in great condition. That looks good. Upper side of the dash is clean. Here on that shifter, has a matte finish to it. Screen looks good. Buttons are nice and clean. This is a beautiful, beautiful interior. Here on this door panel, upper section looks amazing. All of that is nice and clean. Now we do have a gash on the weather stripping and a dent here. A couple little scuffs. Floor mat looks good. That bolster looks really nice. Beautiful seats. They still have a nice matte finish to it. Now you're gonna see a little bit of wear on the edge right there. Glove box looks good. Upper side of the dash is clean. This side looks really good. All of that plastic is clean. All of that looks good. Really nice. When we look at the headliner, it is falling, and so all of that's gonna be replaced. Super common with these cars.